To repair a damaged shingle, you have to first separate it from the ones above and below it. A flat pry bar is the best tool to gently break this adhesive bond. Then use the bar to pry up the nails holding the damaged shingle and the one above it. Remove the damaged shingle and replace it with a new one, driving nails just inside the edges of each tab. Don't forget to replace the nails in the shingle above it as well. Finally, for good measure, apply a little roofing cement to each of the nail heads to complete the repair.